I'm just recovering data from this hard drive, and this one's already done. This one had a short circuit on the board. It was just the diode. It's like a power, not correction, but protection diode, and that was shorted. So I just removed that and got that working again. But there was a couple of partitions that couldn't be recovered, so that's what's happened now. It's just scanned it, and now it's recovering from them lost partitions. It had one active partition on there as well. I recovered what was on that. I will scan the blank space as well of the active partition, just in case there's anything left on that. So that's that one. It was just a short circuit on the board, recovered. And then this one was 500 gigabytes, a lot smaller than the other 3 terabytes. 3 terabytes. That was absolutely corroded. So literally just cleaned the board, cleaned them contacts, it made contact again, and I was able to recover it. So that one was an easy one. That one was a bit harder with the short circuit and hidden partitions. I really should have just scanned it all at the start, but I recovered what I could first. Then I found the lost partition and recovered that. So at least I've got well over 1 terabyte of information so far. So yeah, it's the first jobs I've had in that I've been able to do for a while. I was starting to give up hope on it, but if you can fix them, you can get the data off them. So that's it. I was going to let it go. It's got 3 hours to go. So.